Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Stick here. Hey, gonna do a little fall fishing out here on the river today. As you can tell behind me, it's pretty foggy. And appreciate all the new subscribers who subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for that. Let's go catch some fish, man. Pig of the day. There's a good one. There's a good one right there. They're out here, Dale. There's our first fish, guys. Oh God, come here, buddy. There we go. Guys, here's our first fish. Is a spotted, little fat spotted bass. Right here, they're starting to come off this river. They're stacking up right here, trying to feed up. Caught them on my Berkeley reel sticks, and I'm using this. I got it pinned in the nose. This is a 1/0 owner hook, and about 12 inches up I got a split shot. It's a really small one. Using this 6.6. This is a Mitchell medium action rod. It's almost a medium light, and this is a Mitchell 300 reel. Really easy setup. See if we can catch a few more. He was pretty shallow, Dale. Alright, well, we only caught 2 little fish right there, so let's go find some more spots. Right, Dale?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
A little better smallmouth. Not much. He swallowed that one though. You was definitely gonna eat my stuff, huh? You planned on devouring that dude. There's my spotted bass. Ah, that's my bait. See it? Spotted bass. There's one. Pretty. So Dale got hung up in a tree, and there's a fish on there. Let's see if the fish is still on there. The fish is still on there. There he is. There he is. Dale's hung up in the tree. The fish is on there, look. Hang on, little friend, we'll come get you. Hang on, little friend. This is hilarious. Hello. Some fish on behind this. 2 casts, 2 bites. 0 fish so far. But it's fixing to catch these little guys. Cause we got a itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini. Like I said, it must be little guys right there. Good one. Good one, Dale. The sun's right in our eyes, guys. Trying to block the sun. There we go, guys. Spotted bass, spotted bass. Our biggest one of the day so far. There we go. They must be dumping water at Old Hickory, that's for sure.
Yeah.
To have this much current down here.
Can you imagine that's like way upriver? Oh my God.
It's 20 miles downriver, ain't it? That's a fat little dude right there. Yeah. You have been eating, ain't you? Maybe not. Little spotted bass. Hello. Hello, Mr. Spotted Bass. Hello. I know, you're flaring up. Just chill out, dude. Relax. Relax. Little guy. Let's see what you got back here, Dale. Nice little spotted bass.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Caught him on the Bassmasters Classic lure right there.
Stunner.
Stunner, baby. You stunner. Oh, God. Oh, man. It's a big enough there. That's probably the one I missed first. That's not him. Feel how cold he is. He's freezing cold. Wow. Thanks, buddy. There you go. Dale's got a nice little. Oh, that's a spot.
Smallmouth.
Smallmouth?
On the stunner again.
No, on the stunner, #1 stunner. I'm gonna get as close as I can. See how far you can get it up in there. Yeah? See how far you can get it up in there, Dale. That's pretty good. This is going to be very interesting right here, Dale. With the water being up. Most likely, Dale's back there talking to his jerkbait. I don't know, Dale. It's kind of strange, but you know, we'll see if it works. Is he still on there? It's a good one, dude. It's a big one. Yes, yes, it's a big smallmouth. It's a big one. He didn't know realized he was hooked. All right, guys, we got us a giant on. Oh gosh, it is so powerful, guys. So powerful in this current. He's trying to stay on that rock hump. Oh, don't come up. He's swimming to me. No, he's not. Oh my gosh, he is so strong.
Stay on. Stay on.
Oh, dude, that's a good one. Oh my God, Dale. It's, dude, wait till you see this fish. It's a giant fish. This could be 6 pounds. I'm not joking.
Come on, baby. Don't.
This could be a 6 pound smallmouth right here. Look at him.
Oh my.
Oh my God. Got his trophy. Trophy's on. Get in the water. Oh my God! 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 6 pound
That
smallmouth.
was a 6.5 pound smallie, man. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my. Oh.
He was on the hump. He was on the rock hump, Dale. The last jump. He was a foot from us.
Yeah, my feet stood up in the net where I couldn't reach him. Oh.
Got another one. I got another one. I got another one. It's big too. It's big too. It's big. He's coming to me. He's coming to me. He's coming right here. It's gonna turn. It's another big one. It's another big one, Dale. It's another big one. Look.
Yes. Oh my.
Put it in. Put it in. Put it in.
Yes.
We got you. We got you. We got you. We got you. Very next cast. Very next cast, guys. This one is not as big as the one that just got off.
No.
That one was
twice that big.
that other one was twice that big. Twice it. Guys, on my honey hole, the big ones are here. The big smallmouth is here on my honey hole. Y'all seen it. I just missed that 7 pound smallmouth. Very next cast, I catch this guy. That other one was 3 times as big as this fish. This is like 2 pounds. The other one was 7. Oh man, let's let him back go. Go back over, buddy. All right, guys. Hey, we're calling it a day. It's about 1:30, so I kind of want to get back before the Nashville traffic. So, anyway, had an awesome, what an awesome fun day. I'm kind of heartbroken. Had about a 6 or 7 pound smallmouth get off, but hey, that's just how it goes, right? We're still like, both of us, look, we're shaking. Look, we're just we're both shaking our head like, holy moly, if we could have got our hands on that fish. Wow. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Thanks. Y'all have a great day.